What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the next video and learn Kotlin. My name is QDS Danny and you guys watching my channel Koraiwood. Alright, so we have seen the parameter default values. So now we're gonna show you guys the return type and return keyword. So if we're gonna put it here, function return type. Okay, so what is the function return type? So every time you guys put your function here, you guys need to put a return value. So here, see the first function is just simply doing some operations here in the print line, and the second one's doing the same, but we don't have any return value. So we're gonna put a comment around. Okay, so now we're gonna copy this function from here, and we're gonna bring it down, and you guys can put a return Korayo or Korayo return. So you guys gonna put a Korayo and you guys gonna put a return. So this node our functions now is Korayo return because we want to show you guys the return value. Okay, so now how you guys gonna put your function say that returns something. Okay, now if you guys put anything here, this is still fine, no problem, but because we're gonna put a y is int. Okay, so now we have x and y, both of them is int. Okay, so now if you guys remove this one and if you guys put a return, then you guys gonna put x, for example, plus y. Okay, you guys getting error. I know, I think why you guys getting error. If you guys look in here, I'm gonna remove this one, you guys getting error. So if you guys gonna come here and you guys gonna remove this and you guys gonna come here and put a Korayo return, and what you guys return, you guys needs to assign something. But even if you guys say I want say 10 plus 10, and what do you think you guys gonna have? What do you think you're gonna have? What's wrong with this function? Anyone can tell me what's wrong with this function? Why are we getting error? Because we put an error return, we are returning x plus y, and here if you guys look at here y, and we have a return in here. If you guys look in here, according to the previous function, we invoked our function, we providing x and we providing y, but it's still getting error. So if you guys are gonna run, you guys gonna get error, and I'm gonna tell you guys why in shortly. Mid type mismatch inferred type is int, but unit was expected. So if you guys getting error, you guys always, it's a good idea if you guys gonna come here and click on this one, put an alt and enter, change return type of enclosing function Korayo return to int. What it means is that you guys needs to come here and put a colon and put an int. Okay, so if you guys done this, the error gonna go away. If you guys putting return, you guys always put anything here, because you guys needs to provide the return this colon and this one here. So if you guys putting another function, say your function returning string, you guys needs to provide it. So if you guys put a fun, say Korayo string, and you guys putting a string, make sure you guys provide a string because you are returning a string. So you guys return whatever you guys return. So as soon as you guys return a string, you guys good to go. That's fine, whatever parameter you guys want to put, you guys can put. But if you guys want to return, if you can return any, say if you want to return a b, you can return a b, whatever you guys want to return. So no problem, but you guys need to provide this one here. Okay, so here we are providing, say Korayo is x is int, y is int. That's fine, we are returning x plus y or x multiply y. You guys can do x say multiply y. You guys can do this, no problem. So if you guys gonna come here, and we have provided two value, x is 10 and 10. We have a return here, we have a return type here. Okay, so you guys gonna come here and run. Alright, so we're gonna come here and have a look. We are not seeing anything on the screen. So why do you think we don't see anything? We are not getting any error. We have Corio int xy, int x is type int and y is type int. We have putting correctly, everything's correctly. We are returning xy, but we are not getting anything here on the screen. Why we are not getting? We are going to check on top. Yeah, everything is fine. Okay. Yeah, the reason we are not getting anything is because we have we have a function Corio return xy, and we return, this is the return type int, and we have a return x and y because we want to perform x multiply y. That's fine, multiply y, and here everything is fine. But the reason we are not doing, because we are not printing anything. We don't want to print because this is before we already put a print ln here. If you guys know, print ln, inside that one we have done our operations, but we guys don't have any print ln at the moment, because you guys needs to come here and put some sort of, you guys needs to put your print ln to print anything on the console. Or if you guys don't have, you guys going to come here on top, and you guys needs to provide here. So we're going to provide our print ln here, print ln, and we're gonna, whatever you guys want to print, and inside the print you guys can put a the return, the Corio return is, and you guys want to put a Corio return, so you guys gotta put your dollar as a placeholder, and whatever you guys got here, you guys needs to put inside here. So you guys got a Corio return, and you guys gonna come here, and you guys gonna put inside here. So now you have something that you want to print on the screen. You kind of come here, everything is fine. You got an int parameter list your int in x and y, and the return type is x int, and you guys gonna come here, and now you have something to print on the screen, and you wanna multiply int x is 10 and y is 10, and you're gonna perform multiplication here. So we're gonna come here, and we're gonna go here and see, and now you guys look at here, you guys something that the Corio return is 100, because you guys whatever you guys doing, that's fine here. You guys needs to print this one on the screen. Same goes with the second one. So if you come here and copy that one, if you bring it down here, so my first name, we're gonna remove this default parameter value, and we're gonna put int xy, my full name. So we're gonna come here and put a return, and what's our return is gonna be? Our return is gonna be, say, the first and the second. So we're gonna put it here. We're gonna remove this one from here, and we're gonna see first and the second. Say we put a first name, and then we're gonna move a little bit forward, and then we're gonna put a second name. Okay, so we're getting error. Okay, the reason you guys getting error, because you guys needs to come here, and you guys needs to declare your return type here, which is type string. And once you guys put your return type here, your return, the error goes away. So that's exactly, this code is exactly like this code. They are exactly the same, and you guys gonna come here on top. We're gonna apply the same method here, and we're gonna put a print ln. So you guys can put a print ln, and you guys gonna put a line here, and you guys gonna put a line. My full name is, you guys can put your full name, put your $sign, open curly braces, second curly braces, and then you guys gonna put your the name of your function. So you guys gonna come here and you guys gonna my full name, you guys gonna get my full name here. My full name, and my full name takes 2 parameter and it says QD, and you guys gonna come here and put a Yazdani. Okay, so if you guys look at here, the first one and the second one, and I'm going to explain to you guys again. You've got a function here, text to string here, and the first name and second name, and you guys putting the type here. The type is a string. You guys returning the 2 strings, the top one, and you guys gonna print on your screen. First name is, you guys putting your invoking your function here, and you guys providing the parameter here. So we're gonna come here and run. And you guys seen the first one and the second. My full name is QD Yazdani. Okay, so this is the return type in Kotlin. That's how the return type works, and the return keyword. This is the return type. You guys need to put your return type here. This is your return type, and this is the keyword. So that's how the keyword is. And if you guys look at here, the return type and the return keyword. Alright guys, that's it for this video. If you guys got any question or comment, leave in the comment box. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video, and bye.
Dip, 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 dip.